Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Honda HR-V remote battery. First, gather your tools. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver and a new CR2032 battery. Make sure the screwdriver tip is thin enough to fit into the remote's seam without causing damage. A fresh CR2032 battery is essential for reliable remote function. Now, let's open the remote. Look for a small slot on the side of the key fob, usually near the key ring. Gently insert the tip of your flathead screwdriver into this slot. With a slight, careful twist of the screwdriver, the two halves of the remote case should begin to separate. Take your time to avoid forcing it. With the remote open, you'll see the old battery. Notice its orientation, specifically which side is facing up, usually the positive side. Carefully remove the old CR2032 battery from its compartment. Now, take your new CR2032 battery and insert it, ensuring the positive side faces up, just like the old one. This ensures proper contact. Finally, it's time to reassemble your remote. Carefully align the two halves of the remote case. Press them firmly together until you hear a satisfying click, indicating the case has snapped securely shut. Once reassembled, test all the remote's functions, like locking and unlocking, to confirm everything is working perfectly. You're all set.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.